Learning Pathways presents blended learning modules. Thank you for clicking on this video link for a brief introduction to the Learning Pathways blended learning courses endorsed by AFMA. The short presentation will look at the current construct of the blended learning feed miller course. Companies are encouraged to participate in this course. It blends theoretical modules with specific work integrated modules. Once the learner is registered, a menu of modules will appear and he can commence his studies. By clicking on the first module, he will be given an overview of that module. Modules are arranged chronologically as per the workflow. He can then go into the module content and open the actual module notes, which are downloadable. All downloadable content is kept by the student for future reference. He will be able to track his progress on the progress bar above. As you can see, each theoretical module is designed in the same way for ease of use. Once he has reached the stage of selecting the icon for the modules which deal with the work integrated modules, he will work closely with his coach or in-house company facilitator. The facilitator, who is trained by Learning Pathways, will guide him through the requirements of these modules and will also do the evaluation of them. Once the theoretical and work integrated modules are done and all the assessments completed, the learner will progress to more advanced modules where the same process is followed. Companies receive comprehensive progress reports from Learning Pathways, which is obtained from the learner management system. I hope this gives you a better understanding of our blended learning approach. Please contact us via AFMA or directly should you need more information and would like to register some of your employees.